So I gotta feed my Maverick with some Maverik. Maverick's hungry. Yummy. And there's the big Maverick sign right there. Here's all the different screens that are on the display here. This screen I have set up to show miles per gallon and, you know, distance to empty. I can change that, configure view. This is where you set the trip odometer, but you also can configure that view to only have part of those four. There's four choices, and I have all four selected. So that's why it shows up together. So that's this screen. The next screen is a screen of the Maverick, and this is where you can have information about tire pressure. Looks like we're pretty good there. You can have information about the seatbelts, who's wearing them, my key info, no my keys. Oh, I have 2 keys assigned to this. How much oil life is left? 88%. Okay, and if I had a trailer hooked up, it would give me the status. So I'm going to go to this next screen now. It has information about my phone and the calls that are on it. Then the next screen is the radio. And then this is the lane keep. We've been going over that, showing, oh, right now I'm in orange. It's going to nudge me over to the center if I drift over. There's red. It's like danger, danger. So with lane keep, these are the safety features. I can turn on and off blind spot. All Mavericks have pre-collision assist, which is if it senses you're getting into an accident, it will start braking for you. Here's the lane keeping system that I just showed you. And with lane keep, I can have the driver alert set up as on or off, but I want to be alerted about if there's a lane keep issue. So it's telling me to watch out. Cross traffic alert, that is another great safety feature of the Maverick. And that's for when you're in a parking lot or you're backing up. If there's a car that crosses your path behind you, you will have a very loud warning beep that tells you something is coming from behind. The last item on this is a trailer sway control. So if you have a trailer connected, it will help keep it under control. So I'm going to go another screen here. This one has a digital speedometer, but I can say, let me put the EV coach on to show you the efficiency of how you're driving to power the electric motor and to recharge the battery. So that will be another video with more detail, but I can show it as an EV coach screen. I could show it just how my fuel economy is looking as a permanent basis, or I can just show nothing. And you can see while I'm doing that, the automatic high beam came on. The bottom line is there's so many great safety features in this Maverick, and some of these things, the 3 things that are Copilot 360 additional items that you pay for, the $700 or $800 option, are blind spot warning, which can save your life and avoid an accident, the lane keep, which also can save your life by keeping you in your lane, especially if you're in a 2-lane highway, and the cross traffic alert, which is a backup warning signal to help you avoid an accident. So if it takes longer to get the Maverick because of the chip shortage due to having Copilot 360 on your order, if I were you, I would not cancel Copilot 360. It's worth it if it takes a little bit longer. It makes driving more fun. It makes it more interactive, and of course, much more safe for you and your family. So, hope this was helpful. We are about 20 miles away from Salt Lake City, from Huntington Beach, and we have not seen one Maverick on the road, although we did see that RV back in Vegas, and now we're seeing a Maverick truck. Check it out. This is the gas station we stopped at. My Maverick was very thirsty, and Maverick fed my little Tonka toy here. Thank you, Maverick. There we are, coming into Park City. So this brake code shows I'm in hybrid gas engine mode right now. The white is the gas. When I let off the gas, it's charging. When I put a little bit on, it's in electric mode right now. I didn't really know it did electric mode at 60 miles an hour. Like this. And then there it is. Kimball Junction, Park City. Here we come. Okay, I'm in electric mode right now, according to the brake coach. If I let off the gas, it shows it's charging. If I floor it, it kicks in the gas engine. So let's stay in electric mode. Okay, it's morning in Park City. And here is my Alto Blue Maverick Hybrid. Looks very, very dark right now.